Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to edit your hometown on Facebook using your PC. With the new update, the process is simpler than ever. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook account and log in. Once you're on your main dashboard, head over to your profile by clicking on your name or profile picture at the top of the page. Now, you'll see your profile with all your information. Look for the Edit Details option right underneath your profile photo and click on it. This will bring up a new window where you can make various changes to your profile. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Hometown. It might take a moment to locate it, but don't worry, it's there. Once you see your hometown listed, simply click on the Edit button next to it. A new option will pop up titled Edit Hometown. Click on that to enter your desired changes. You can update your hometown to reflect where you currently live, where you grew up, or any place that holds special significance to you. After making your edits, make sure to hit the Save button to ensure your changes are recorded. And that's it. You've successfully edited your hometown on Facebook. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.